Hi everyone. Today I have come up with one other topic that I would tell you later on, but in beginning I would love to share with you most of us do not notice the life very well. We don't notice the time. We notice that the life is not more than a box. I agree. They take this body not more than a box, but they need to understand the box which has been gifted by a god. It is full of intentions, it is full of beliefs, it is full of personality, it is full of etiquettes, it is full of your all habits. Of course it's a box. The body is a box, and this box is to be parceled. But what you need to parcel, that is important. The thing which you value, where you make the decision and you do not regret. What the world thinks of you, that's something different. But you think of yourself, that is important. There you value the time. Because once you make the decision, so you make the most of that decision. You make it count. It is really important to understand what is important in our life. And how you can make it important? When you contribute this thing. When you give this box as a parcel to somebody. You parcel it. If you keep the box, so you will, what you would get? You would get the box. But if you keep parceling this box, if you parcel this box anywhere, so what would happen? You would get something as a return. So time we all have limited. You limit your bad habits, that is important. Don't limit your good ideas. Don't limit your beliefs. Bad habits, of course, must be limited. Through these bad habits, negativity approaches to us. That should not be done. So the topic is that how we can value the time. When the body which has been given by the God to us, you should respect it. The soul which has been given to us by the God, we should take care of it. The brain, the mind which you have been using it, love it. Take care of it. So if you make these all things better, if you just align and if you make them happen, if you just contribute something in others' life and you're making their life better, it means the purpose of your life is completely filled up. So that is important. You need to take care of it. I understand sometimes negativity approaches. So why to get afraid of these sorts of negativities? They are just blocking your road. They are blocking for some time. But they are not stopping you. They are blocking the road only. They cannot prevent you from going ahead. They cannot hamper you. Some people, when they find that roadblocks are there, what do? They change the pathway. That's wrong. They switch to another field. It's wrong completely. Why not to go for that pathway which is really important, where you are finding your passion? You are passionate about doing something because you have invested your completely time over there, which cannot be left soon by you. And just because of some people and their wrong ideas, you are switching from this field to another field, which is really gonna disturb you. So make the most of your time. Make those things happen where you feel that you are passionate about those things. You make them happen. Prove the people that you are the guy who can make it something better. And the life which has been given, so we have some limited time. Something which is approaching us, it means somehow there is a reason, and you need to find the reason. Make the world, make this world happy. How you can make this world happy? When you are happy. This is the planet. This is a playground where you are playing. Only you need to find where you need to play. You need to play in basketball ground. You need to play in football ground, and you need to play in cricket ground. Only you have to choose it. There's a ground. This is spread completely, and you need to work upon that ground. You need to practice it. And when you practice it, it means you are making the most of something which is adding the value in your life. Once you start valuing your life will become valuable. Then you would start adding some contribution in others' life, and they will also become valuable because they will start valuing their life. So the life which has been given, the time which has been given, we should value them. So time is too much valuable, we need to understand. So put first thing always first, because there are lots of things we miss. I too miss. I have lots of tasks, but sometimes I miss. But I don't regret. Next day I do it. If I keep missing up to 7 days, 8th day I do it. It's not so 7 days tasks I can do within a day, but again I add in every task some tasks which I miss. Like this I complete my tasks. You also can do it. So this is the time which everybody has. So we need to put this in better way. At least we can utilize the time. So if you are liking this video, please do subscribe to my channel. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been a trainer since 2005. I have been training the people to understand what is the language, how they can communicate with each other, and the biggest thing, whenever they want to crack the interview, they need to have the faith in them. They need to understand how they can bring out of the best through their thought and all. They can get lots of things through these seminars which I have been giving every week. I have been taking them for the interview session also. So there are lots of stuffs which I have been taking every day. So if you find you are one of those and you are really interested, so please join my institute for that. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.